Look at Lucas Ribeiro. Uh, Look at Lucas Ribeiro's penalty. Why am I saying Tito's penalty? I go with Tito's penalty. Look at Ribeiro. Lucas Ribeiro scored that penalty, and Mabelo Sanders was already leading, and there was no pressure. You see, there was no pressure. But when you look at Tito's penalty, you will find out that Tito scored that penalty. It was the last minute. Look here at the added time. Last minute, there was more pressure. And it's a Soweto derby. It's not just a normal day. It's a Soweto derby. It's not just a golden arrows. It's a Soweto derby. Look at Tito. Tito scored that penalty. And then that is why we say Tito's penalty. I go for Tito's penalty because Tito scored that penalty with no pressure. Like he just acted like there is no pressure. Actually, there was a pressure, but he acted like there was no pressure. If you look at that goal, if he missed that one, fans were going to be very angry at him. It was going to take him more than 10 games to get back to his form because Soweto fans, Soweto fans, Soweto people